In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a newsletter in Beehiiv, a powerful tool for content creators who are looking to streamline their communication with subscribers. Creating a newsletter on Beehiiv is not only straightforward but also flexible, allowing you to tailor your newsletters precisely to your audience's needs. First, you need to log into your Beehiiv account. Once you're in, navigate over to the left panel of your dashboard. This is where most of the action happens. The left panel is your go-to space for accessing all the critical tools you'll need to create and manage your newsletters. Now, let's get started with writing. Click on Start Writing. This option takes you right into the editorial space where all your creative ideas come to life. Here, you have the choice to kick off your newsletter from scratch or use one of the available templates to give you that extra creative boost. Select Blank Draft if you want a completely fresh canvas, or choose a template if you prefer some predefined structure. With your draft open, it's time to enter a captivating title and a subtitle for your newsletter. These elements are crucial as they're the first things your audience will see, setting the tone for the rest of the content. Think about what hook will grab your reader's attention immediately. Next, compose the main body of your newsletter. Let your creativity flow, but remember to maintain a structure that's easy for your readers to follow. Whether you are sharing the latest news, personal updates, or insightful content, aim for clarity and engagement. Once you're satisfied with the content, click Next to proceed. At this point, you'll want to select your email audience and web audience. Beehiiv offers you the flexibility to reach different segments of your subscribers. Choose wisely based on the message and the audience you want it to reach. There's also an optional step where you can toggle include and exclude segments. This allows you to fine-tune your audience even further. If you wish to include or exclude specific segments, delve into these options. After finalizing your audience, click Next again. It's time to configure the web post settings, which determine how your newsletter will appear online. Make sure everything is set to your preference, and once that's done, you'll head over to the review stage. Reviewing your newsletter is vital. Here you'll get one last look at the entire piece before it reaches your subscribers. Once you're satisfied with the review, click Schedule. You now have the option to set a specific date for publication or to publish immediately by selecting Publish Now. And there you have it, your post is now live. Remember to copy the link provided by Beehiiv to share it across different platforms and increase your reach. So go ahead and unleash your creativity, engaging your audience like never before. Happy publishing!